police, we don't tolerate nonsense. You see, who is she to you? Who is who to me? This one. This one is my baby. Which one is your baby? This oversized one is your baby. So that you will die, we will bring you to hospital. That children are dying because of oversize. You are under arrest. You see, don't get me angry. You think you are a police officer? Look at your size that you are calling yourself a police officer. You see, the things that they take, this one be small, come out. And they take story building, this one be 2-bedroom. Forget. So you think you can do what?
Papa Police, he is my spec.
Ah, you heard spec. You know be spectacles. Do you know who I am? Dampari called me, told me that short man go and stand inside road. If car is not coming, if car is good here, if car is coming, he not see you, then they will pass you. Hey, bro, for crying, you think who are you? Which station are you from? 93.5. Go and check. Station, baby. 93.5. You know, be Radio Mercury, your Bambo station. And that one is 91.5. So this one is which one? Vision 1. Vision 1 station, no problem. That is your station. That you have degree here. No, don't make call. We are serious here. Husseini. Yes, you remember I told you. You remember the guy said, the Malam said we need someone my side. So that he go come out my destiny from the person enter me. So I go get rich. I have someone now. The person is a police officer. So bring the boy. One cargo at the way. No, don't run. It's like you're running. Fucking. You know where I'm coming from. Go to ghetto, we don't arrest people. No, let me do something to this one. No.
Let's go.
If I high and I see them, don't punish them. Don't punish them.
Really, nigga?
It's okay.
Because of what?
Don't worry. It's okay.
I will chew you.